Yeah, my name's Elsy. I'm the Chief Executive of the UK's Value Manufacturing Catapult. Well, what does industry need from government in the post-Brexit Britain? Well, the first thing we need is the fundamentals, so infrastructure. I mean, there's no point in having productivity improvement if your finished goods and raw materials are sitting for hours on a motorway stuck in a traffic jam. So we've got to get transport systems right. We need road, rail and air that's fit for a modern economy. And then on top of that, we're poised, well not poised, we're in it, a digital revolution, particularly in manufacturing. There's no point in doing that if you can't plug it in. So we need globally competitive bandwidth. And then in my sphere of influence, in the technology space, then we know that innovation is really the only long-term salvation for us in terms of productivity improvement and long-term competitiveness. So we need to be investing more in there, but already the government has started to make moves in that direction, putting real money, new money on the table, and that's very encouraging. Well, as far as the industrial strategy is concerned, for the High Value Manufacturing Catapult, it calls for the right local institutions to be put in place to deliver it. Well, within the High Value Manufacturing Catapult, we've got 7 independent centres around the UK, beautifully geographically spread, none of them in London, so all outside, all local. And in there's £600 million worth of assets, buildings, kits and advanced manufacturing equipment to help companies scale up new technologies. And in a typical year, we'll help 3,000 companies do that, and nearly 60% of those are small and medium enterprises. So we've absolutely got the right tools in place to help industry bring its innovations to market. Okay, well, the top 3 technological trends in advanced manufacturing. Well, first of all, digital. We are in the middle of the 4th industrial revolution, the embracing of digital technology in manufacturing. It's set to transform manufacturing. It'll lead to better right first time. It'll bring products to market quicker, and it'll improve the speed of supply chains. And to be frank, if you're in manufacturing and you're not embracing digital, it'll just be like, imagine today in your normal life not being connected to the internet. It'll feel the same way. Second thing, robotics and automation. Robots are now cheap, very affordable, and they come with decades of embedded knowledge and information all in the software. So they're very easy to apply. And in the UK, we've got some of the best talent in how to apply robots into processes, how to program them and all that sort of thing. And the final one is a combination of the first two. And it's an issue, an area I thought I was quite conservative about personally at the start, which is additive manufacturing. And of course that combines robotics and automation with digital 3D printing with various materials, metals and plastics. And that I can already see there's real pace there. People are using it now for tooling and fixturing, and there's an enormous amount of technical effort and activity going into that space, so we'll see more of that. My board said to me, Dick, we want a premier conference for high value manufacturing, and it's a crowded space. I said that we ought to be associated to the premier event in the manufacturing engineering calendar, and this is it.